Hey, it's Keith at Scheider Farms, and we're out here today on a hot, late August day. And I just want to talk a little bit about gardening in the summer and not losing hope for the rest of the year. So this is the time of year we start getting some calls, and we see it here. Sometimes with the heat and humidity, flowers like petunias sometimes don't look as happy as they did, and there's several reasons that can happen. Some of them can be corrected. They can all be corrected. So let's not lose hope. That's the first thing I want to say. But sometimes it's just the humidity, heat and humidity that start making them look unhappy. Other times you might look a little closer if they've been on a kind of a steady decline and those aren't looking right. Get in there and just kind of open them up, dig around in there. And a lot of times at this time of year, we start seeing a really heavy infestation of aphids. So they can make a basket look really bad, and sometimes you can spray them and get rid of the aphids, and the basket will come back. Other times, there's just too many aphids, and there's not enough time for them to recover to look good for the rest of the fall. So we would advise maybe just getting rid of those. The petunias are great because they can last all the way through October and even into November. So it's not like they can't handle the cold weather to come. So we've got months yet of good flower growing weather. Another thing is if you haven't been fertilizing regularly, a lot of times your plants will start looking a little bit yellow and maybe spindly. So one other thing that we highly want to recommend right now is keep the fertilizing up. Don't give up, because like I said, we've got all of September, October, and even into November. We got almost 3 months of flowers yet. So if you keep the fertilizer up, they'll look great. And we're going into a time of year where it's cooling off and flowers really perk up in the fall and look great. So even if maybe your summer flowers aren't looking great and you think it's time to get rid of them, there's still plenty of flower enjoyment time left throughout the fall, and we've got plenty of things to replace or to just spruce up what you've already got. And keep up the watering, keep up the fertilizing, and don't give up, because we got a lot of time left this year.